Washington, New York, Philadelphia, all the airports, the ground staff.
That's what I've been hearing on the frequency. I've been listening in. Can't believe it.
Just experienced a 5.8 earthquake here at the airport.
A 5.8? Come on, are you serious?
Serious. Actually, it was probably a 0.1 here, but still very scary.
Did you guys feel that earthquake?
I didn't feel anything, to be honest.
We're in the line shack, sitting at the table, and what were we discussing?
I can't remember, Jeremy.
The raincoats are doing one of these, just swaying side to side. I'm like, what's going on in here, you guys? Something wrong with my vision.
Did you guys feel that earthquake?
I didn't feel anything.
Jeremy left his car here. His door open. I'm going to crank up the heat. A little warm in there?
Yeah, somebody has the heat cranked up.
No way.
Wow. Yeah, get this going on. This is good. We're talking production line here, boys. This is how we make CHOCKS. Precision drilling.
Alright, let's go full afterburners. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I can eat all that. Go ahead, get in there.
Jeremy can though.
Yeah, there's some homemade pizza right there.
I need a plate. Oh, you got a plate right
Yeah, plates too for you.
Oh.
Or whatever.
Just give it a whirl.
And then there's another
Those
one.
are garlic
There's
mashed
three
potatoes.
total.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those
With
look
some sour cream, milk, butter.
Just so it's not going
All right.
quick.
Well, how is it though?
It's good.
It's good.
Need some more seasoning. The onion is too not chopped.
It is not perfect.
It's got too much chunk.
No, it doesn't. I'm telling you.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I should have done. I know. I should have done.
All right, 8.
Oh, that's pretty good.
8.
Salt and pepper
I
and
know,
seasoning will bring it up to a 10.
All right. Yeah.
That was good.